Poor guy, just trying to, get out the door. And folks doing that today, we are dealing with a colder start. You want to grab a jacket. Certainly it is a cooler start out there, but we have seen this quick moving cold front to pass overhead, and the light rain with it is moving off to northeast Texas at this time. Still some of those leftover clouds around DFW as we zoom in a little bit closer, but for most of us we are dry, exceptions being places like Sulphur Springs and back around Paris. Some very, very light rain for you. Otherwise, that's going to be moving off, and once we get to sunrise, we should be done with any rain potential. But we do see a colder setup, no doubt. 43 right now. Notice, though, that the northwest wind has joined us, and it is picking up to 16 miles per hour, and that really does a number to those wind chill values in the mid-30s from the airport. Around the rest of the area, numbers in the 40s off to the east, and then we've got 30s back to the west, Denton 39, Decatur at 35. But remember that wind, it is going to continue to pick up today in those wind speeds. These are sustained winds up to 20 miles per hour from places like Fort Worth, 17-mile-an-hour winds in Dallas. Look at what it does to the wind chill. Does make it feel like low 30s to even 20s for Decatur and Bridgeport, both feeling like 29. So it is going to remain a chilly start, but through the afternoon, we will see ample sunshine, blue sky, and slightly cooler temperatures as we only top out in the low 50s. So it is actually a below average day. I really haven't seen many of those lately, but today will be below average. Tonight, also below average. Look at this. We're mostly going to be below freezing, so keep that in mind tomorrow. It's going to be a frigid start as we see even widespread numbers in the mid to upper 20s. But if we look at our long range trend, this is such a short-lived cool down. Low 50s today, tomorrow as well. Check that out, though. 63 by Friday. How about 70 degrees on Saturday? And that's ahead of our next cold front, which does produce a better chance to see some rain. As we move on into the clock, we've got that southerly flow building Friday into Saturday. That's why we're seeing those warm temperatures. Then we've got our cold front moving through later in the day Saturday. So we're going to keep an eye on some scattered showers for the first half of Saturday at least. It looks like the best chance east of I-35. That will quickly move out, and then by Sunday we're back to dry weather and mild temperatures, low 60s as we head into February.